to Kuala Lumpur.
Everyday Healthcare Group is one of the leading private healthcare providers in Malaysia's challenging healthcare industry. The network of 18 hospitals in Malaysia, 3 in Indonesia, 2 in Saudi Arabia, and 1
Begin soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. Please be informed that all essential check-in counters will be closed 45 minutes before departure. On behalf of Captain Ong, assisted by First Officer Hani and rest of crew members, we'd like to thank you for flying in Asia and a pleasant day in Kuala Lumpur. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please walk and move along the walkway and follow the instruction of the crew to the terminal. To stay some camera in the tunnel area, this is the prohibited. This is a requirement by the Airport Authority.